Good morning.
Good morning.
John and Melissa from Little House of Big.
Coming to you from the storage lot.
Hey.
Why are we here?
Why are we here? Well, it's time to put Little House of Big to bed for winter.
Night-night.
Night-night. Time to tuck her in. We've got the cover and the ladder and wheel covers and all that fun stuff in the back of the truck. And
it's the last thing we have to do. We winterized her last weekend and pulled her down here, and it was just late on Sunday, so we thought we'll just come this weekend and take care of it.
yeah, thankfully the weather's good.
Yes, for late October.
Yeah.
So
For this 15 minutes.
we know that we're a little behind on our videos, and we apologize. We had some life happen. We had a huge project happen. We had some health issues, colds, and a concussion. So we're a little behind, we know that, but we also got hit with a copyright on YouTube for our intro and one of the other videos. So that kind of put us even more behind. So
yeah. The company that we used for our intro music was Hook Sounds. And when we first signed up with them, we were under an agreement that we could use the music free as long as we provided a credit line and a backlink in the video or in the comment section. Well, they changed that agreement at some point last year, and we missed that they changed it. And so they put copyright claims against 2 of our videos.
just this year's.
That were released after they changed their agreement, and which would mean that any monetization that might come off of those videos in the future would go to Hook Sounds instead of to us. And so we don't really like that idea, so we're going to go back. We're going to replace those videos with the same video, new intros, new backing tracks, that kind of thing.
It just takes some time.
It does. And so so be careful when you try to use free music on YouTube, because it may not stay free.
Right.
Yeah.
And I've read that too, about that's been kind of an ongoing issue. So we'll see. Now we're going with a subscription service, so hopefully we won't have any issues.
Yeah.
So
Fingers crossed.
anyways, you have a lot of videos coming to you. Well, maybe not a lot. You have a season's full of videos coming to you in the wintertime. We'll be camping through the winter on YouTube.
Yeah, it'll look like it anyway, yeah. We'll actually be shoveling since we live in Colorado, but
Yeah.
it'll look like we're out camping and having
But
fun.
we'll be camping in our minds.
Yes.
In my dreams, I'll be camping.
Yeah.
So just a quick update to let you know, we know we're behind. We've been out of touch. We're sorry. We're back.
Yeah.
But right now, he's got to get on a ladder. It's happening.
What do you do?
Okay. Good Saturday. Coffee up.
Coffee up. See ya.